If you take a close look at the chart which is being displayed on the screen now, you'll notice that I've got an open short trading position on the Euro USD currency pair at the moment. I actually opened this short trading position simply because all of the trade entry requirements of our trend following Forex trading strategy were met on the currency pair's daily, 4-hour and 1-hour time frames. As you can see on the screen, price made a successful bearish crossover on the daily time frame of the currency pair just a day ago. And for those of you who don't know what a bearish crossover is, a bearish crossover is the term which I use to refer to price crossing and closing below the 360 period simple moving averages on any time frame. On the other hand, a bullish crossover is the term which I use to refer to price crossing and closing above the 360 period simple moving averages on any time frame according to the low risk, high probability trade setup identification rules of our trend following Forex trading strategy. As you can see on the screen, price successfully crossed and closed below the 360 period simple moving averages on the daily time frame of the Euro USD currency pair, signaling to us that the direction of the long-term trend on the daily time frame of the currency pair is actually bearish at the moment. The bearish price crossover on the daily time frame of this currency pair was also backed by a corresponding cross of the ADX indicator's blue line above the horizontal line which was placed at the indicator's 25 level mark, signaling to us that the bearish trend which we've just identified on the daily time frame of this currency pair has the potential to become a pretty strong bearish trend. As a result of this, all that was left for me to do according to the rules of our trend following Forex trading strategy was to simply crank down to the 4-hour time frame of this currency pair to confirm the validity of the bearish trend which I just identified using its daily time frame. As you can see on the screen, price also made a successful bearish crossover below the 360 period simple moving averages on the 4-hour time frame of the Euro USD currency pair, confirming to us that the direction of the short-term trend on this currency pair's 4-hour time frame is also bearish at the moment. And this is the reason why I proceeded to its 1-hour chart to find low-risk, high-probability short trade setups in the direction of the prevalent bearish trend. So I've just cranked down to the 1-hour time frame of the Euro USD currency pair. And as you can see on the screen, I entered into the market with a short trading position on this currency pair, only a couple of pips below the lowest price of the candlestick which led to the formation of the most recent down fractal on the pair's 1-hour chart, in line with our strategy's trade entry rules. When I hover my mouse's cursor over the stop loss order of the short trading position which I took on this currency pair, you'll notice that I placed its stop loss order about 76.1 pips away from the trade's entry level. I actually placed its stop loss at the price level where the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to price's high was located at, right after I identified the price level where I would be getting into the market with a short trading position on the currency pair. And since the distance between the stop loss and the entry level for the short trading position which I took on this pair is 76.1 pips, its profit target needed to be placed about 152.2 pips away from the trade's entry level, according to the rules of our trend following Forex trading strategy. But I think I made a mistake here. The take profit order for my short Forex trading position on this currency pair is only 135.9 pips away from the trade's entry level instead of 152.2 pips. So let me quickly adjust that now. Awesome. Now that the take profit order for this short trading position is exactly where it needs to be, that is 152.2 pips away from the trade entry level for this short trade which I took on the Euro USD currency pair, according to the rules of our trend following Forex trading strategy, All that's left for me to do now is to simply wait for price to either hit the stop loss or profit target which I set for the trading position.
A few moments later.
Unfortunately, this time around, I lost 1% of my trading account's capital on the short trading position which I took on this currency pair when price reversed against it and hit its stop loss order, which was about 76.1 pips away from the trade's entry level. But there's nothing to worry about since I was only risking 1% of my trading account's capital on this trade. Moreover, since our trend following forex trading strategy requires us to always aim for a profit target which is twice the amount of money which we're risking on each and every trade which we decide to take, I only need to take one winning trade to recover the money which I lost from this losing trade. So there's really nothing to worry about at this point. I just need to keep trading according to the risk management and trade setup identification rules of our trend following forex trading strategy, and I'm going to end up with a positive return on investment after taking a large number of trades, inshallah. My advice to you would be to set a goal of taking at least 100 trades using this forex trading strategy before trying to assess its trading performance. And to help you accomplish this task, I actually created a private Facebook group where newbies who are struggling and experienced forex traders who are making a killing with the forex trading strategy which I just showed you in this video can hang out and help each other to become consistently profitable forex traders. One of the reasons why I did this is because I know how much of a lonely business forex trading can be when you're trying to go at it all by yourself. Fortunately, you're not going to need to spend a fortune on low quality online courses or countless hours trying to figure out how to make money through forex trading when you join our vibrant community of forex traders over at FXMindTrix So what would you rather do? Are you going to commit to this forex trading strategy and take at least 100 trades with it and prove to yourself that it actually works? Or are you just going to dump it after you encounter a losing streak in search of the next best no-loss forex trading strategy, which you're probably not going to find anyways? I'd love to hear what you intend to do in our private forex trading community over on Facebook. So do yourself a favor and take that life-changing step towards becoming the consistently profitable forex trader which you've always wanted to become by heading over to FXMindTrixAcademy.com/community or just clicking on the link in this video's description box below. I'm pretty sure you're not going to regret it. In the meantime, if you would like to learn how to make money online through forex trading, working less than 4 hours a week from anywhere in the world, head on over to FXMindTrixAcademy.com/blueprint or click on the link in this video's description box below to get instant access to the PDF guide and exclusive video training which is going to show you exactly how to do that right away. And now it's over to you. Since you've now learned how to find entry and exit points using our powerful, low-risk, high-probability forex trading strategy, let me know which one of these currency pairs you're going to take your 100 trades on using our forex trading strategy in the comment section. Are you going to take your first 100 trades on the AUD-USD currency pair or the GBP-USD currency pair? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video below. But if you'd like to learn exactly how to find low-risk, high-probability forex trade setups using the trend-following forex trading strategy which you just saw me use to trade the live foreign exchange markets in this video, click on the video which is being linked on the screen now. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload more actionable live forex trading tutorials just like this one. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next one.